Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I do post makeup and fashion related videos on my channel. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I have created this beautiful Valentine's Day or date makeup look. It's a soft glam makeup look, and if you want to know how I got this look, then please watch the video. At first, I am applying moisturizer, and you can apply any moisturizer according to your skin type. And after that I am applying a sunscreen, and this is from the brand called Lotus, and I am applying it all over my face. After that I am priming my lids, and I am applying this shade from the Kiss Beauty concealing palette all over my eyelid. To set my concealer, I am applying compact powder all over my eyelids. After that I am applying a cello tape on the outer edge of my eyelid, and now I am picking up this pink shade from the eyeshadow palette, and it's from Hilary Rhoda, and I am applying it all over my eyelid, mostly focusing it towards my outer V. I am picking up this light shimmery shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I am applying it onto the inner 1/3 of my eyelid. I'm using this kajal from Himalaya, and I'm applying it closer towards my lash line, and then I'll smudge it out with the help of a small definer brush. You need not to be very careful while doing this because we have applied a cello tape and it will take care of all the cleanliness. Now I'm picking up this beautiful glitters from this glitter glaze palette, and I'm applying it on the inner 1/3 of my eyelid. I'm removing the cello tapes, and you can see how clean my makeup is looking. I'm picking up this grey shade with the help of this angled brush, and I'm going to be filling my eyebrows, and I'm going to be making my eyebrows very defined and angled one. I personally like very defined and angled eyebrows. And here my both eyebrows are done. I'm using this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'll be applying it by dabbing it with my fingers all over my face. And then I'll blend it out with the help of a foundation brush. I feel it's better way to apply foundation like this, at least for me, because in this way we can apply our foundation evenly onto our face. I'm picking up this shade from the Kiss Beauty concealing palette, and I am applying it under my eyes, onto my inner corner and outer V, and on the sides of my nose, and on the sides of my lips, and onto my chin, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on the center of my forehead. And I'll blend it out with the help of the same brush which I use for foundation. To add some dimensions, I'm contouring my face. I'm contouring my face on the hollows of my cheekbones, onto my jawline, my forehead, and I'll also be contouring my nose as well. I'm picking up this shade from the Hilary Rhoda blush palette, and I'm applying it onto my cheek, and I'm moving my brush upwards, and I'll apply my blush little bit on my chin and on my nose as well. Now with the help of a powder brush, I'm applying compact all over my face very light handly. By doing this, your blush and your contour mixes so well, and you will not find any harsh line. Using this highlighting palette from Ronzal Cosmetics, I'm going to highlight all the highest points of my face, like the top of my cheekbones, my chin, my cupid's bow, my bridge of the nose, the center of my forehead, and I'll be also highlighting my brow bones and my inner corners as well. I'm going to be setting all this by using a makeup setting spray. I'm going to complete my look by using a pink lipstick, and on the top of this lipstick I'll be applying a nude shimmery lipstick. I'll be applying it only on the center of my lip. And here my makeup is done. And this is my final finished look, guys. I hope you all liked the look and enjoyed watching this video. And if you do like the look, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. And if you do recreate any of my look, then please don't forget to tag me there. And I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Till then, bye. Take care.